Smoky Caprese sandwiches. And I wanna really pump up the smoke, so I'm gonna grill the onions. We're gonna take a nice, sweet, purple onion, and I love the color too. So first thing I wanna do, get all the skin off of the onion, and then get them into nice rings, 1/4 inch slices. So we're gonna get just a little bit of olive oil on the pan. You don't need much, and this is a nonstick pan. I love grilled onions. They caramelize, they get a little sweeter, a little salt, and then I'll let these guys go for a little bit. I'll get a tomato. So in a caprese salad is fresh vine-ripe tomatoes and the best mozzarella cheese and a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of basil. That's a basic, beautiful caprese salad. Now, when you put it on a sandwich, it's even better. But I'm gonna add a few more ingredients. I'm gonna add some smoky almonds. I'm gonna make up this mixture, you're gonna love it. It's gonna be amazing. I can smell the onions already starting to go. I'm gonna flip these guys. And it's okay if they come apart because you're gonna wanna have them come apart a little bit on the sandwich too, so don't worry about that. You just wanna get them softened. So now, I'm gonna slice up this gorgeous heirloom tomato. Summer is the best time to enjoy them. I never ever get rid of the ends, I always eat them. Oh my, that was good. So let's get some mozzarella sliced up. I'm using a firmer mozzarella, because I really want it to hold together. So let's get this onto our platter. Now I wanna make this really fun addition to a caprese sandwich, a nut relish. So I'm gonna grab some smoky toasted almonds. It's about a 1/4 cup. Let's get the onions off. Okay, let's chop these almonds up. Some of my favorite sandwiches have a lot of different textures in them. And what these nuts are going to do, these smoky almonds, they're salty and crunchy and toasty, they're gonna add a great crunch to this sandwich. Now, what else is in a caprese salad? Basil. We're just gonna give these guys a little chiffonade. And you just start slicing away. And then I'll give them a chopping again, because I want them to be in bite-sized pieces. The basil goes in. I wanna add a little heat to this. So we're gonna add some chili flakes, just a pinch or 2. I like heat. So now, just add a little bit of olive oil, just so it all sticks together. This is your little mixture that's gonna go on top. I toasted the ciabatta buns earlier, and that's really just to give yourself a firmer surface. We don't want the bread to get soggy. Okay, we'll start with a tiny bit of olive oil. A beautiful tomato on both sides. Maybe I'll put 2 tomatoes. A little salt and pepper. Next up, these nice warm onions that we just grilled. They're so tender. This is gonna make for an amazing sandwich. We're gonna get that nut mixture we just made. And then we're gonna lay the mozzarella right on top. It's gonna be a big Sammy. A little salt and pepper. So then right on top, I'm gonna put some arugula. That's gonna add a nice pepper flavor there. Then what's gonna happen is we're gonna get the top on. I wanna get a little bit more olive oil. There we go. Almost time for lunch. Oh, look at that, so pretty.
See it, it's gorgeous.
I'm gonna take a big old bite.
Okay, do it.
Yeah, shall we?
Yeah, go.
1, 2, 3. Oh, wow. That's some crazy good flavor. That is smoky almonds. Smoky, toasty almonds. Wow, what a crazy good sandwich.
Even that crunch, the crunch.